Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is DC Made 522, Darren. And today I am going to be making 2 marinated bone-in, skin-in chicken thighs. As you can see with the video, I'm trying a different type of style with the video, like an editing style, I guess. I don't know, I'm trying a different look. So I think it's going to be better than what I have done in the past, and I think it will be much more efficient, like as far as recipes go, as far as showing you all what I do and how I cook the stuff. So let's get right to it. As I said, today I'm making 2 chicken thighs. They have been marinating for a few days. I've used oil. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil. I used canola oil, onion powder, garlic powder, nature seasoning, and chili lime seasoning. No salt, no pepper, because there's salt and pepper in the nature seasoning. So first things first, we want to preheat the oven to 350. Once your oven is preheated to 350, you want to heat a skillet. I'm using a cast iron skillet, but you want to heat a skillet. It could be non-stick, cast iron. So heat a skillet over medium to high heat with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil for about 2-3 minutes. Once the oil starts to kind of ripple a little bit, you don't want it smoking yet, but once it kind of ripples a little bit when you move the pan around, then you want to put your chicken in. So next you want to place your chicken skin side down in the skillet and let that side sear for 5 to 7 minutes. We are looking for a golden, like a brown crust on the skin side. After the 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your stove, you want to flip the chicken to the other side and do the same steps that we just did. Just let it sear for 5 to 7 minutes on this other side now. Once the chicken has been, once the chicken is seared for 5 to 7 minutes on the opposite side of the skin, you want to then place your chicken into your preheated oven for about 10 minutes. Now this is the part where it may vary depending on your stove time, depending on how fast you seared the chicken before, depending on how big your chicken is. After about 10 minutes, you want to check the chicken with the thermometer, like a meat thermometer, and just make sure that it registers to 165 degrees. Once it registers to 165 degrees, then you want to just plate it up and eat it. And that's pretty much it. So let's get into tasting this chicken. Alright guys, well that is it. Everything turned out great. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you again next time. Alright, bye.